Next airdrop we're going to do is what is called coinmarketfeed. It's a coin social network platform. Like this video, this is going to be good. I got a feeling this is going to take off, this social network actually. Subscribe to this channel, and all you got to do is look down in the description box below. There's going to be a link, and you're going to pop it up, and it's going to come up with this. Don't hit on Facebook or Google. Type in your actual name, your password, all that stuff. It might take 20 minutes to 30 minutes to come through. This actually took me about 30 to 40 minutes for it to confirm. But you're going to get $10 in coins, plus you'll get referrals on top of it. And this is a social network. And I think they've also got it set up like a coin market cap. This is a pretty easy one to do. Can you just like and subscribe? And this is the end of this airdrop. On to the next one.